Honestly, dogs are proof that life is just one big comedy show. Bro is moving his head with purpose, but nobody knows the joy he's getting. I can only imagine how happy he is. The vibe is real. Hold up! So they actually gave the two big dogs meat and then the little one fruit and veggies? No, that's disrespectful. I can't take that. This is exactly how siblings act when there is only one snack left in the house. Wait, what just happened? This cat is like, we need to talk. And the dog is like, nope, not today. Bro is just thinking a lot. He's just going through emotional trauma. Wait, what is this? Is he just trying to practice how to keep a funny face? What's going on? Bro is like, what kind of play is this? What? This face got me thinking.
And then what happened?
Then what? Oh my God. Oh.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
At first it looks like a sweet gift, but when the smell hits differently, the dog realized that this could be a setup.
Dodge.
When I literally
spot a
said dogs are
dumbass
so
bitch?
smart, you don't need to doubt the fact.
Let me get you a dad, though. You want a daddy?
Is the facial reaction for me?
I never introduced myself to you. My name is Mimi. Yeah. I never told you my name. Nice to meet you.
Alright, shopping list. Bread, milk, pasta, eggs, mayo, cocaine. Just kidding.
Away. Come here.
Boy, did you hear about the neighbor? She said her dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy? Boy, you okay?
You are not
And the
going
dog
back
is like,
outside.
what do you mean?
Am I walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you. Okay.
You don't jump on my couch.
And the dog was like, do you know who you're talking to? Keep your hand down.
What's wrong?
Bro, that smile is something else.